Tiramisu, origin Italy. Tiramisu appears to have been invented in the 1960s, but where and when exactly is unclear. It comes from the Tuizotilate tiramisu, Italian into tiramisu in the latter half of the 20th century. Tiramisu is a coffee-flavored Italian dessert. It is made of ladyfinger dipped in coffee layered with a whipped mix of sugar, egg and mascarpone cheese flavored with cocoa. The recipe has been adapted into many varieties of cake and other desserts. Its origins are often disputed among Italian region Veneto and roughly Veneto Giulia. Tiramisu, which means pick me up, a reference to its short of espresso, was an instant hit. Chef Lana Cohn says come to taste it, and soon they were either making their own version or he was supplying them with his. By the early 80s, tiramisu had become ubiquitous throughout Italy and beyond. If you want any other food history, please comment and subscribe it.